The ruling party ZANU-PF on Thursday abruptly cancelled a highly anticipated Politburo meeting scheduled for Friday, May 2, 2025, a move that has heightened speculation over deepening internal divisions and confusion within the party's top leadership. Subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. In a text statement issued late Thursday, ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mnangagwa announced the cancellation, attributing the decision to instructions from Secretary General Obed Mpofu. In quotes, the Secretary General of ZANU-PF, Comrade Dr. Obed Mpofu, hereby advises all members of the postponement of the Politburo meeting announced for Friday, 2nd May 2025. The meeting will be held on a later date to be advised. No explanation was given at the time. However, it later emerged that the decision coincided with the sudden scheduling of the burial of a national hero, Air Vice Marshal Winnie Mandela, who passed away on Monday, April 28. The sudden cancellation has fueled rumors of serious being behind the scenes wrangling within the party. With no clear explanation provided, insiders suspect the meeting was shelved due to unresolved tensions over critical issues, including succession dynamics, power consolidations, and the realignments within the Central Committee and the Politburo. Sources anticipated heated discussions over recent electoral performance critics, growing grassroots dissatisfaction, and President Mnangagwa's reported succession plans. The postponement, coupled with the rushed burial of Mdeya, has led some political analysts to conclude that the party may be struggling to maintain internal cohesion amid rising factionalism. Ndo mashwari kuda panapa wanyatsonga kunzi aiwa kuviga kwakaitwa Mandela apa kuzitombo replant panapa kwabva kuexposa kuti aiwa the ruling party ZANU-PF panguva ino all is not well. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudipa musoro pechitwe chimina kwama section medu. Subscribe or like and turn the bell icon.